My name is Allie, and I'm a tech student. I'm going sophomore years, and I'm here volunteering, helping. So I'm majoring in geology. Right now, I've taken historical geology and then like basic course like math and chemistry. And then for next year, I'm taking paleontology, geophysics, mineralogy, and like basically like rocks. Whenever they go on a field trip, there's like areas of bones. And then, so they can't take it out immediately because they're really breakable. So they put over like this jacket and then kind of dig it out. And then when they come into the lab, they were filling with like all those matrix, basically like dirt. So we have to like dig every matrix out and then kind of start finding the piece of bones like inside the jacket. You kind of just like take out every pieces by pieces and then you glue it back together like this. Oh, I was so scared. I was seriously so scared because this is my very first time touching something that is like this, and I know how valuable this is. Dr. Martz started like training me with like a small jacket. That kind of built like confidence for me. Kendra couldn't tell me, you know what, it's okay. If you break things, you can always glue them back together. That's what the glue is for. Well, really specifically, my parents. I'm an international student, so I came from China to here when I was in middle school. So I was in this host family. We kind of built up like a really close relationship, and she really encouraged me. Ever since my parents take me to the museum for the first time, like when I was like 9, I just fall in love with all the skeleton and like the dinosaur and everything. And I luckily emailed Dr. Martz and had the chance to work in here. I just feel honored that I can get to actually chasing my dreams with this. So, yeah.